all the authorities, all teachers, and my lovely, smart, small students. From long time you are saying good morning, but I was waiting so I could say good morning to everybody. So because of you, because of your voice, my morning is very good. Okay. Uh, Today, again, we are meeting on online in the project शाळा बंद शिक्षण चालू by बृहन मुंबई महानगरपालिका. We are meeting because of this project and you are participating enthusiastically. That's why thank you. And we are also eager to meet you. So let us start our today's session, subject English. बृहन्मुंबई महानगरपालिका शिक्षण विभाग आजचा विषय आहे इंग्लिश. टॉपिक adjectives. Again, we are taking grammar because in a language it is very much important. And I'm here, Seema Mohan Pandit, Sainath Nagar Municipal School number 1. So again, we will see what is adjective. But before that, thought of the day. Thought of the day, Suvichar. Dreams don't work unless you do. Means what? All of you know dreams. Swapna. Swapna, dreams. Last year in Marathi, you have a lesson, Swapna Viknara Manus. In that, the author said, the man who has not a dream is not a human being. ज्याला स्वप्न नाही तो माणूसच नाही. But what is dream? There are two types of dreams. First dream, which we see in while we are sleeping. But here the dreams is not that. The meaning is not that which we see while sleeping. But here dreams means your aim, तुमचं ध्येय. If Dr. Abdul Kalam says the dreams which you see in the sleep or during the sleep is not dream. The dream is that which don't let you to sleep. जे झोपायला देत नाही आपल्याला जागरूक ठेवते ते स्वप्न. Means आपलं ध्येय. Don't work. Here, don't work means will not come true. Dreams will not come true. Don't work means it will not work. What means that? Unless you do. Decide your aim. ध्येय ठरवा. Then think about it and work for that. स्वप्न ठरवा. त्याच्यावर काम करा. तरच स्वप्न पूर्ण होईल. नुसती दिवा स्वप्न बघून चालणार नाही. Then you will ask, we are small children, what we can do? You can do so many things. Read books, take knowledge, understand it. Don't only do by heart. नुसतं पाठ करू नका. Understand it and use it, that knowledge. Then your dreams will come true. So dreams don't work unless you do work hard, your dreams will come true. If you keep quiet and say, God will give me, it will not happen. It will not happen. I will tell you one joke here and then we will proceed. Teacher in the class asked Sham, Sham, why you did not do your homework? Sham said, ma'am, I slept whole day and whole night. Teacher said, why? You were not well? No, ma'am. Yesterday you say day and night. See your dream only, work on dream only. And we can see the dream when we sleep. Understood my joke? Okay. श्यामला शिक्षक म्हणाले तू काय केलंस तर घरी अभ्यास का नाही केला? मी दिवस रात्र झोपलो. शिक्षक म्हणाले का बरं झोपलास? ते म्हणाले तुम्हीच सांगितलं दिवस रात्र स्वप्न बघा. Means here the meaning of the dream was wrong. So now I think you have understand what is the dreams. Now let us go forward and see today's dream or today's what we are going to learn. Objectives. Now you can see that picture. Your aim should be focused. बरोबर तीर लागला पाहिजे, फोकस्ड पाहिजे, आजूबाजूचे गोल दिसता कामा नयेत. So objective means what you are going to learn today or what you are taking with you. तुमच्या बरोबर आज काय शिकून जाणार आहात. First, what is an adjective? Meaning of adjective. Here meaning of adjective means the meaning of word adjective. No, the concept of adjective. Adjective ही संकल्पना काय? When in the beginning I said, oh my smart, small, enthusiastic children or student. Here always we say student, but here I said small, enthusiastic, happy. All these are called adjectives. Then another thing, what is adjective? How we can use it? Why we should use it? We will see afterwards. Now, the students will able to identify colors, numbers, size, quality as type of adjectives. Means today we are not going to see only adjectives, but also the types of adjectives. फक्त adjectives नाही, त्याचे प्रकार सुद्धा. मग त्याचे प्रकार कसे पडतात? According to their color, numbers, quality, size, according to that there are types of adjectives. These are two objectives. Means today we are going to learn these two things. First, what is an adjective and what are the types of adjectives. Okay, I think you have understood. Now let us see the next one. What is an adjective? See, first I will read, listen carefully, then I will explain you. Adjectives are words that describes or modify words, making your writing and speaking much more specific and a whole lot more interesting. You will say, ma'am, how long this sentence is? How much I will remember? Let me cut it and tell you. First thing, keep in mind, adjectives are words. पहिलं लक्षात ठेवायचं, adjectives, they are words only. But why they are used? Because they describe. What they describe? Noun. Or modify words. You can say modify. I will tell you afterwards what is modify in next. Making your writing. When you use adjectives, your writing and speaking become more specific. Specific means particular. Exact text. म्हणजे कसं बघा. If I say have a pencil, you will say, okay, pencil, we also have a pencil. But if I say, I have a red pencil, then you will say, okay, now it becomes specific, only red pencil. Then your friend will say, I also have a red pencil. Then you will say, I have a big new red pencil. Now it became more specific. आणि थोडस स्पेसिफिक म्हणजे पर्टिक्युलर झालं बघा. रेड पण आहे, बिग पण आहे, न्यू पण आहे. Means these three words are called adjectives. And a whole lot of more interesting. Whatever you are describing, it becomes beautiful or it becomes interesting. जेव्हा तुम्ही adjective वापरता तेव्हा ते वाक्य आणखी सुंदर होतं. बघा हा, एक मराठीतली कवितेतली ओळ तुम्हाला म्हणून दाखवते मी. बला कमाला उडता भासे कमर कल्पसुमनची माळच ते. सरळ त्यांना म्हणता आलं असतं बगळ्यांची माळ आकाशात आहे, पण ते बलाक माला म्हणतायत कल्पसुमांची. लाईक दॅट इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो, इन पोएम, इन प्रोज, you will find adjectives which make your writing specific and interesting, beautiful. Okay, इथपर्यंत लक्षात आलं असेल. Okay, then bye. Next. Now I will give you 1 second. Observe this picture. Just observe. Don't say anything. Now see. You can see in that picture so many words. You will say, what are these words are? You can see the boy. There is a frame. Now look at his hand. He has a color plate. We use it, color plate. When we draw pictures and when we want to paint it, we use that. Now look at his face. There is a boy. But when I will see at his face, I will say a happy boy or the boy is happy. Now see, only if there is a boy, it's okay. But when I say happy boy, you will see only that happy boy. You will look at his face and you will come to know. म्हणजे happy न त्याच्याबद्दलची माहिती सांगितली. Noun, boy is noun. In last week you have seen countable, uncountable, singular, plural, everything you have seen. So here happy. He is happy or the boy is happy. Now, if I say another word, see, he has painted some picture. Behind him, there is a picture. He has painted it. That's why he is happy. The picture is not nice. But the shape of that frame is rectangle. Now here, the rectangle tells us about the frame. Even frame is not there. If somebody says rectangle in shape, we can imagine. आपल्याला सांगितलं, आपल्या समोर नसली आणि कोणीतरी सांगितलं की ती चौकोनी आहे, we understand, अरे ती चौकोनी आहे, बरं. Means that particular adjective focused on the noun and modified. Now the next one, you can see cloud there in that picture. The color of the cloud is white, or the cloud is white. Here it describing cloud means you will think. So color is also adjective. Color is also adjective. And if I say the color of that house is red, faint red or red, you will, without saying, you will imagine that his house is red. Here it is a picture. इथं तुमच्या समोर पिक्चर आहे, पण कोणी वर्णन केलं तर we can understand. So color is also adjective. Now look at his hand. He has a brush. He has a brush. A brush means one brush. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also adjective. This is also adjective. Means color, shape, expressions, or you can say whatever they are showing, whether it is satisfied or round, beautiful, everything called in English adjectives. So students, I think you must have understood adjectives. Means only one picture, so many adjectives are there. If you use this adjective, you can describe the picture. परीक्षेत तुम्हाला येतं डिस्क्राईब द पिक्चर. मग आपण काय लिहितो? 2 trees, 1 bench, girl. Instead of that, you can say a beautiful girl, a green tree, small boy. All these are adjectives. So now next, look at this picture. I will give you 1 second. You can see the picture. Observe it. Now, only one girl is there with her bag. Behind, son is there. If you can see, all highlighted words or describe that girl. सगळे हायलाइट केलेले डार्क मधले शब्द तिचं वर्णन करतायत किंवा तिच्या आजूबाजूचं वर्णन करतायत. That is called adjectives. Now see, the weather is hot. The weather is hot. How we come to know the weather is hot? Because sun is there behind her. Now, the hot tells us about weather. Hot tells us about weather. Now, the another one. The shirt is yellow. If somebody says, yes, girl, what she has worn? She has wear a yellow shirt. So yellow tells us about shirt. Means it is specific, that noun. The woman is young. Now they have told us about woman also. She is young. The shoes are comfortable for her because she is happy. She is standing straight, means that her shoes are comfortable for her. So comfortable is also adjective. The earrings are round. Whatever she has wear over in her ear, that earrings are round in shape, means shape. Here they have told you about shape. The bag is big. Now they have told you about the bag. It is a big, means quality. The woman is British. Now British is, you can say, it is actually noun also, but here in this sentence, the woman is British, means that they have told you about woman. So British, she has come from Britain or London. So next, the woman is happy. See, look at her face. She is smiling. So means smile shows that we are happy. So here she is happy. The trousers are jeans. Whatever she has over a trouser, it's jeans. And the last one, the clothes are pretty. Now all types of adjectives has come here. सगळ्या प्रकारचं वर्णन केलंय. तिच्या कपड्यांचं वर्णन आहे, तिच्या बॅगेचं वर्णन आहे, तिचं वेळेचं वर्णन आहे, सगळ्याच. These all specify that noun. त्या नाउनला ते काय करतं? स्पेसिफाय करतं. सो ऍडजेक्टिव्ह हेल्प डिस्क्राईब थिंग्स. ऍडजेक्टिव्हचा पहिला उपयोग काय बघा? इट डिस्क्राइब्स थिंग्स. ज्या वस्तू आहेत, ज्या थिंग्स आहेत, ते काय करतं? वर्णन करतं. डिस्क्राईब वर्णन करतं. ऍडजेक्टिव्ह Adjectives. Adjectives help, मदद करतात, describe things. Now the next one. Look at this. In the following examples, the highlighted words are adjective. Now, in the following examples, means they have given you 4 sentences. They are some examples. They are examples of adjectives. Means whole sentence is adjective? Yes, no, they are not. Whole sentence is not adjective. Mean then the highlighted words. Highlighted words. Highlighted words. Highlighted words means which are written in bold. Bold ink. ठळक शब्दात लिहिलेले, ठळक. सगळीकडे आपल्याला पुस्तकात सापडतात बघा, ठळकपणे लिहिलेलं, म्हणजे त्याच्यावर आपण लक्ष द्यायचंय. In Marathi book also you will find. They live in big, beautiful house. Now see, if I said they live in house, मी एवढंच म्हटलं they live in house. Okay, house, any house. But if I say they live in big house, then you will come to know that his house is big, their house is big. Then I say they live in big, beautiful house. House is a noun. You all of you know what is noun. House is noun. But how is house big and beautiful? When I asked how, I got the answer big, beautiful. मी जेव्हा काय असा प्रश्न विचारला, कसा असा प्रश्न विचारला घराला, तेव्हा त्यांनी सांगितलं बिग अँड ब्युटिफुल. सो बिग अँड ब्युटिफुल describes house. Big and beautiful describe house. So they are adjectives. Now the next one. Since it's a hot day, Lisa is eating ice cream. Ice cream. When we generally eat ice cream? In May, because it is very hot. Now, here, it's since. First shabda is since. 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 It's a hot day. Lisa is eating ice cream. गरमी आहे म्हणून ती काय करते? आईस्क्रीम खाते. Here, day is noun. Lisa बद्दल वर्णन आहे. Lisa is also noun. But hot is come here to describe day. Day ला describe करायला आलंय म्हणून it is the adjective of day. Day, hot day. How is day? Hot day. How is house? Big and beautiful. How is the day? Hot. जे उत्तर मिळतं ते adjective विशेषण असतं. The mountain tops are covered with white ice toppings. I will read this sentence again. Listen. The mountain tops are covered with white ice toppings. Mountains. Mountain tops. Mountain tops means the top of the mountain. पर्वताचं वरचं टोक. Covered with white ice. Now here white is adjective, but that adjective is not for mountain. That adjective is for ice. Ice is white. Toppings. टॉपिंग म्हणजे तुम्हाला माहित आहे केक वर वगैरे असतं बघा टॉपिंग्सचं, किंवा पिझ्झावर असतं टॉपिंग्स, म्हणजे वरचा भाग. सगळा वरचा भाग कशानं भरलाय? बर्फानं भरलाय. व्हाईट आईस. सो हाऊ, व्हॉट इज द कलर ऑफ आईस? व्हाईट. What is the color of ice? White. Here, white describes ice. The next one. On her birthday, Ajay received an antique vase filled with fragrant flowers. Let me read again because it is slightly big. On her birthday, Ajay received means got an antique म्हणजे सगळ्यापेक्षा वेगळं. वास, फुलदाणी. Filled with fragrant flowers. fragrant, fragrant. Now here there are two adjectives, antique and fragrant. Now antique is antique is adjective for vase, and fragrant is for adjective. Means here are two adjectives for two nouns. Here birthday, Ajay, they are not described. They are described gift. What is gift? Vase, Fuldani. And how is that vase? Antique. Correct? Antique. So, how are the flowers? Yes, flowers are fragrant. सुवासिक फुले. त्याच्यात सुवासिक फुले भरलेली होती. Now next. Now look at this girl. If I say, what do you see? What do you see? You will answer, I saw a girl, because there is only one girl. So I say, I saw a girl. But if I want to specify this girl or describe this girl, how I will describe? I saw a pretty girl. I saw a pretty girl. Now here, in the first, I saw only girl. But when I observed her, I thought that she is a pretty girl. So I will say, I saw pretty girl. Not any girl, only pretty girl. So this girl is specified by a pretty word. So here, pretty is an adjective. Now see the next one. I saw a pretty little girl. Look at this. I saw. First, what I said, I saw a girl. Okay. I want to specify it. I said, I saw a pretty girl. Okay, now that girl is pretty. But I want to describe more, specify more. आणखी तिचं मला वर्णन करायचं आहे. I saw a pretty little girl. Not only pretty, she is also little. Means here here two adjectives are here. Pretty and little. So girl is pretty, girl is little. So one picture, I described it three way. First, I saw girl, simple sentence. I saw a pretty girl, I added word. Then third, I saw a pretty little girl, I added two words, so that girl became more specific. That noun became more specific. Adjectives. What is the use of adjectives? What are the adjectives? First, adjectives are modifiers. 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 What do you mean by modifiers? Modifier means small change. छोटासा बदल. अगदी लहानसा बदल म्हणजे modifiers. Now, what they modify? They modify nouns. ते नाउन मध्ये बदल करतात. म्हणजे नाउन बदलतो का? गर्ल आहे त्याचा बॉय होतो का? नो. बघा, आपण रोज शाळेचा युनिफॉर्म घालून शाळेला येतो, पण शाळेत हळदी कुंकू किंवा कार्यक्रम असला की आपण नटून थटून येतो. आतले तुम्ही तेच आहात, बाहेरचं मात्र बदललं. अँड युअर टीचर सेज, ओ सो ब्युटिफुल यू आर लुकिंग, वी फील हॅपी. We are same. Daily we are coming to school, but in uniform. But in the program, when there is a program, we come with what you can say, with a jewelry or a new dress, something new. नवीन काहीतरी घालून येतो. Means that girl is same, but because of appearance she is looking different. Here is also same. Noun will be same. For example, the last example, girl. Girl is the same, but adjective modify that she is little and she is pretty. Okay. छोटासा नाउन मध्ये केलेला बदल. नाउन मध्ये म्हणजे नाउनच्या दिसण्यामध्ये. कपड्यानं आपण बदललो तसं ऍडजेक्टिव्हनं नाउनचं दिसणं बदलतं. They tell us more about nouns. If I said, I have a pencil. Pencil is noun. Pencil is noun. If I said, I have a pencil, you will say, okay, you have a pencil. But if I say, I have two pencils, then it's, oh, these two tells us that noun pencils are, number is 2. Quantity of pencils is 2. Now pronoun also. Pronounचं सुद्धा वर्णन करतं. You know pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. All these are pronouns which come at the place of noun. Now, how pronouns adjective changes pronouns? One example. Meera is a girl. She is smart. Now she comes for Meera. So it's pronoun. मीराच्या जागी आपण she वापरलं. It's pronoun. And she is smart. Now about smart, who is smart? She is smart. And she is pronoun. Smart is adjective. And it modified or tells more about pronoun. नुसतं nouns बद्दल नाही तर pronouns बद्दल पण सांगतो. Now, how we can find out adjectives? Look at adjectives by asking questions. Just now I have given you example. The girl is pretty. How is girl? The girl is pretty. That pretty, we can find out adjective. How many pens you have? I have 3 pens. Here 3 is noun, means how many? We can ask the question, how much? Such type of questions we can ask and we can find out adjective. But to whom we have to ask? To noun. नाऊनला प्रश्न विचारायचा आहे. काय काय वेळेला 2 नाऊन येतात त्यावेळेला आपल्याला लक्षात घ्यायचं की ते वर्णन तो ऍडजेक्टिव्ह कुणासाठी आलाय. देन यू विल नॉट कन्फ्यूज. नाहीतर आपल्याला लक्षात नाही. मग अशी होतं बघा, दॅट व्हाईट आईस, इट वॉज फॉर आईस, नॉट फॉर अ माउंटन. लाईक दॅट यू हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द ऍडजेक्टिव्ह वेन इट इज डिस्क्राईब, टू हुम इट इज डिस्क्राईब. कोणत्या नाऊनला डिस्क्राईब करतं, कारण वाक्यात 2-3 नाऊन येऊ शकतात. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, let us see more examples. This is the another example. Robert had 4 books on his shelf. Now look at, if I said Robert had books on his shelf, will do. वाक्य पूर्ण will. But I specify books that they are 4. And the color of the book is red. Another specify, Robert had 4 red books on his shelf. आणखी स्पेसिफाय झालं, कोणती? सगळी पुस्तकं नाही, रॅक मध्ये किंवा शेल्फ मध्ये ठेवलेली. नाउ सी दिस. Christina bounced the round basketball. Now basketball we know. Christina bounced the basketball. Christina bounced the basketball. ओके, आपल्याला समजलं असतं बास्केटबॉल खेळते, बाउन्स करते. But we have to tell more about the ball, so we said round basketball. त्याचा आकार, shape, that is shape is also an adjective. Now look at this. Jasmine looked into the ball. Look at his hand. There is a ball, clear ball. No, you will say what is clear means clean? Clean ball? No. Here clear means crystal of glass. ग्लासचा किंवा क्रिस्टलचा बनवलेला असतो, पारदर्शक असतो, त्या बॉलला क्लिअर बॉल म्हणतात. लक्षात ठेवायचं. क्लिअर एव्हरी टाइम, क्लिअर मीन्स नॉट क्लीन. क्लिअर मीन्स हिअर वेन वी आर युझिंग फॉर एनी थिंग्स ऑर मटेरियल, इट इज क्लिअर मीन्स ऑफ क्रिस्टल. क्रिस्टलचं बनवलेलं किंवा काचेचं बनवलेलं मीन्स क्लिअर. It is, ball is clear. You can see here in that picture. So now the next. See, look at this butterfly. So many colors are there. If I say
there is a butterfly, okay. But if I say the butterfly is colorful, then that colorful specify butterfly. Butterflyला ते specify करतं.
So it is an adjective, colorful an adjective.
Who is colorful? Butterfly is colorful.
Now here I asked
Who? But I got butter. It's noun. So this question is wrong. If I ask, how is the butterfly, then I will get a, what is, how is butterfly? Answer will be colorful. या वर्षी तुम्हाला प्रश्न बनवायला आहे तेव्हा
लक्षात ठेवायचा प्रश्न बनवताना आन्सर काय तर जनरली आपण म्हणतो हु इज कलरफुल कारण हुचा प्रश्न सोपा आहे पण इथे आपल्याला कशावर एम्फसाइज करायचं आहे ऍडजेक्टिव्हवर
So answer should be adjective. Now the next one, the types of adjectives.
Now here are 6 types of adjectives. Adjective of quality, quality, quality. Adjective of quantity, 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 quality, quantity. Looking same, but there is a difference. We will see next time in next
PPT.
Adjective of number. You all of you know number 1, 2. Interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjective, and exclamatory sign adjectives. But today we are going to see only 4. Only 4.
First is qualitative adjectives.
Qualitative adjectives.
Qualitative adjectives. What is quality? आपण म्हणतो क्वालिटी चांगली आहे का म्हणजे आपण काय विचारतो its shape, its color, its texture, behavior, size, small, big, smooth,
Rough.
or black, white. These all are qualitative adjectives. क्वालिटी मध्ये क्वालिटी म्हणजे त्याचा आकार त्याचा रंग त्याचं रूप त्याचा साईज सगळं येतं आता क्वांटिटेटिव्ह ऍडजेक्टिव्ह क्वांटिटेटिव्ह
Adjectives means
जनरली most of the time
we use these for uncountable noun.
Uncountable noun you have seen last week. Deepta madam has taken uncountable. So you know rice, milk, oil. We can't count it. मोजता येत नाही तिथं क्वांटिटेटिव्ह ऍडजेक्टिव्ह वापरता ऍडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ नंबर 4 pencils, 3 bags, 1, 2, 3. These all adjectives. And demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. What is demonstrative? Means show, indicate something. Somebody
Says, where is your book? You will say, this is my book. This is my, you are showing. When you are showing, that is called demonstrative adjective. Let us see the first one, qualitative adjectives. Now I have told you, qualitative adjective shows us the quality of noun. ते कसं आहे ते असतं qualitative. Color, shape, texture, behavior. How is his behavior? How in shape, oval shape, rectangle shape,
square shape, texture.
Textures means कपड्याचं असं बघा किंवा एखादी वस्तू असते आपण म्हणतो रफ इट्स व्हेरी रफ आय डोंट वॉन्ट इट्स सो स्मूथ व्हेरी गुड color you all of you know color I will not explain that color because you know shape I have explained you behavior how we behave with others that is also called qualitative adjective. Now next one, first one, quantitative adjective. Look at this boy. His name is Hillary. Hillary wore a striped shirt. Stripe, patte. He has striped shirt. How is his shirt? Stripe.
स्ट्राईप्ड स्पेसिफिक केलंय बघा. कसला घातला त्यानं? पट्ट्या पट्ट्याचा. दॅट शोड द क्वालिटी ऑफ शर्ट. शर्टची क्वालिटी दाखवते तिथे, म्हणजेच त्याचे कसं आहे ते दाखवते. नाव द नेक्स्ट वन. John is a handsome boy. Now look at this boy. He is handsome. लक्षात ठेवायचं, पुरुषांना नेहमी हँडसम वापरायचं आणि स्त्रियांना ब्युटिफुल वापरायचं. कधीही मुलांनी आय एम ब्युटिफुल म्हणायचं नाही, आय एम हँडसम म्हणायचं. अँड सो दिस बॉय इज हँडसम. हाऊ इज बॉय? ही इज हँडसम. उत्तर मिळालं. अँड दॅट आन्सर इज ओनली ऍडजेक्टिव्ह. नाउ लुक ॲट दिस बिग एलिफंट. An elephant is a strong animal. He is animal. It is animal, but it is strong. बळकट आहे. I can also say an elephant is big, strong animal. Now the next one. Quantitative adjectives. That was qualitative. Qualitative म्हणजे quality, रंग, रूप, आकार सगळं. Now quantitative means काय? Quantity. When we go to the market, we say, give me potatoes. The shopkeeper will ask, how much do you want? How much do you want? You will say 2 kilos. Now here 2 is numbering, but how much? If I say, I want rice, he will say, how much? You will say 1 kg. This all is quantitative. Means quantitative adjective describes quantity. किती आहे? आपण नेहमी म्हणतो बघा, नुसती क्वालिटी नको, क्वांटिटी पाहिजे. क्वालिटी, क्वांटिटी. क्वांटिटी नको, क्वालिटी पाहिजे. सॉरी, क्वांटिटी नको, क्वालिटी पाहिजे. म्हणजे नुसतं भारंभार नको आहे, त्याच्याबरोबर थोडं क्वालिटी पण पाहिजे. म्हणजेच क्वांटिटेटिव्ह adjectives describe the quantity of the noun. It describes about uncountable nouns like rice, milk, water. आपण म्हणू शकत नाही एक राईस दे, एक मिल्क दे. We say 1 kg rice, 1 liter milk, half liter water. Take half liter water. रेसिपी मध्ये असतो. Here we have to use some like kg and liter like that. So when we ask how much to the noun, how much, then you have whatever answer you will get is quantitative adjective. How many? That will go to number. How much? Quantitative. Now see the one example. I have more children in my class. Now you will say, ma'am, children are countable. How you can say? But here comparison. I'm talking with my teacher and she says, I have some students or some children in my class. You will say, I have more children in my class, means more than her. Is comparison. Next time आपण बघणार आहोत कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री ऍडजेक्टिव्हची होत असते. तीन डिग्रीज आहेत, ते आपण बघणार आहे. So here more is a quantitative. Now Rita has Rita had less rice in lunch. Less rice in lunch. Here less means small. कमी ह्याच्यात, कमी दर्जात. So small, less rice मोजता येत नाही म्हणून less वापरलाय. Sky has many stars. We can't count stars, but we can say many. Many shows number only, but not 1, 2, 3, 4, but related to quantitative. Now the next one, adjectives of number. Adjectives of number. Number describes countable nouns. Now see, quantitative describes what? Uncountable. But number describes countable nouns. 5 fingers, 7, 3. I will not give you more examples because you know. See, look at this. She had 5 dolls. There are 12 months in the year. There are 7 days in the week. Now the last one, demonstrative adjectives. demonstrative adjectives means which indicate, which shows, they refer to the singular, plural or near or far. म्हणजे ते सिंग्युलर प्लुरल आहे का दाखवतं, जवळ आहे का लांब आहे दाखवतं. आणि इथं आपण काय प्रश्न विचारायचा आहे, विच वन इज युअर बुक. नो, सी द नेक्स्ट. सी, विच वन इज युअर बुक. आय विल से दिस इज माइन. माझ्या जवळ आहे ते पुस्तक, तेव्हा म्हणणार मी दिस इज माइन. व्हेअर आर पिलोज. सो हाऊ आर पिलोज. दोज पिलोज आर सॉफ्ट. दोज, इट इज अवे फ्रॉम मी, माझ्यापासून लांब आहे म्हणून मी दोज वापरलं. आणि पिलोज इथं दोज, दीज indicates the place of noun. So they are demonstrative adjectives. Now look at this. This boy is you. हे चित्र आहे ते तुमचं आहे. मग प्रश्नचिन्ह काय आहे? क्वेश्चन मार्क इज देअर. हिअर यू हॅव लर्न लॉट. बसून तुम्ही शिकलायत. नाउ आय विल आस्क क्वेश्चन्स. म्हणून मी आता तुम्हाला काही प्रश्न विचारणार आहे. बघू काय होतंय. लुक ॲट दिस. Locate the adjectives and get its type. आधी पहिल्यांदा काय करा, ह्यातलं ऍडजेक्टिव्ह शोधायचं आणि ते कोणत्या प्रकारचं आहे सांगायचं. बघा खाली मी तुम्हाला दिलेलं आहे क्वालिटेटिव्ह. क्वालिटेटिव्ह म्हणजे तुम्हाला मी सांगितलंय नाउन, शेप, टेक्स्चर, बिहेवियर. क्वांटिटेटिव्ह म्हणजे विच वी कॅनॉट काउंट और लाईक राईस, मिल्क और वॉटर. डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव्ह मीन्स इंडिकेट, दाखवतो. and adjective of नंबर येतं. सो लेट अस ट्राय. पहिलं वाक्य बघा. पहिल्यांदा मी सगळ्याचे अर्थ सांगितलेत तुम्हाला. क्वालिटेटिव्ह, क्वांटिटेटिव्ह, डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव्ह अँड adjective of numbers. Let us see. I have 5 pencils. Can you tell me which is adjective, children? या वाक्यातला adjective कोण सांगताय? Hello children. Hello. हाँ students. Hello.
Teacher, 5 is the adjective.
Teacher, मी सांगू
5.
शका?
Yes, correct. 5. Correct.
5.
What is the type of? Is it quantitative, qualitative, or number? What is that?
Adjective of number.
Teacher,
Yes,
number.
correct. Very good.
Adjective of number, teacher.
Yes, Rohit is a clever boy.
Teacher, clever.
Yes, very good. Is it a qualitative or quantitative or demonstrative? Clever means, is it a qualitative or quantitative?
Teacher, beautiful.
Okay, next you are telling clever. Type of clever is qualitative. त्याच्याबद्दल माहिती सांगताय ना. Beautiful also qualitative. Okay, Sakshi drinks lots of water. Which is adjective? Can you tell?
Teacher,
Lots.
lots.
Yes, lots of. Correct, very good. And Nikki solved 10 sums in her book.
Teacher, 10.
Yes, correct. It is an adjective of number. So here you have homework. Take a screenshot of it. Screenshot घ्या. This is also your homework. Take screenshot.